Hi guys, welcome back to Ultimate Gardening. So today I got a new sprouting video for you guys. So today I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm gonna do for this whole week. As you guys know, it's National Pollinators Week, but we're gonna stand off a little bit off of that. And today we're gonna go ahead and clean up my garden a bit because as you guys know, it's full of weeds. I'm gonna do my job. But today I'm gonna start in the actual garden I have, which has my peppers and my tomatoes in the front of my garden. So let's go into the video and yeah, let's go. So guys, this is the first area right here. As you guys know, this little area right here I made the video of where I planted all this, where the link is gonna be down below, but also the picture is gonna be right here. So this is planted with sweet potato vine, coleus, and allium, or like a lily of the valley, and caladiums in the back. So the thing I'm gonna do is tear everything up, clean all the weeds that is here, move this fencing all the way over here to the point where this is, because this whole area is going to be renewed. It's going to be way bigger. I'm going to clean up all this right here, pull up the grass, all this grass, clean up the bricks back there, and it's going to be brand new. And then yeah, so let me do that real quick. So guys, we're in the area right here. So as you can see, this whole place was renewed. So here's where it looked before, and this is how it looked after. I really like the new area look. Hi. So this whole area was actually small, so it came from right there all the way right here, just this area, but now it's extended this whole way. Now it's ready to plant. As you guys can see right here, this is the front of my garden. I took out the weeds that were coming off the fence. So as you guys know, this whole garden is looking a mess right now. I need to do my job, but the thing I want to go ahead and do is go ahead and set everything up. I'm gonna do the series, remember, the Monday workday part 1. So this is actually Wednesday, so I'm gonna put it as Wednesday workday. We're skipping Tuesday because yesterday was Tuesday, and I don't want to lie to you guys, but today is Wednesday workday of the cleaning the front of the area. But tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and clean my garden area, which you guys are gonna see. And yeah, you're guys gonna see the whole renovation of this whole garden. And I'm not gonna tell you what I haven't planned for this garden, because it's amazing what I have planned for this garden. It's gonna be new and it's gonna look pretty. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support this channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you don't want to miss none of my videos, hit that notification bell button for you don't miss none of my videos. And yeah, my recent videos are gonna pop up on the screen. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.